Hello and welcome! This is Paul Photography with episode 23, my lucky number of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today is going to be a special edition. We will combine a painting of Laurent Folco, makeup art by Ella Capella and my photography to create a nice gallery shot. Let's jump right into it. While Ella Capella is doing a marvelous job, I built the scenery. First, I decide from a black background. Then I place my Model C to have a fixed point to set up the scenery. As a key light, I go with my rectangular softbox. My reflector stand helps me to hang the picture frame in the front, which I light with the beauty dish. This will be our composition. Ella Capella is ready too. Awesome job. I give her another smaller frame to look through and a reflector on her knees. Paul. This is our interpretation of Laurent Folco's beautiful painting.